Let's get to our final trade of the day. Standing by for that is Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot. Good to have you here, Joel. And I know you're watching the overall condition of the market. Is this a time when you're feeling more bullish or bearish?
I have to say, over this weekend, I gave this a lot of thought, Angie, and I am extremely cautious right now. I am overall very bullish, but I am a little bit cautious over the overall market. Bonds appear to be rallying and trying to test some very significant resistance levels. Some news out of China is that the Delta variant is picking up a lot of momentum there, and they're possibly considering doing some re-shutdowns there for the Delta variant. Also, I think we've been kind of trending very high at some very high levels here in the overall market. Looking at the spider, we've constantly made all-time highs right around 441.80, and we're just shy of some of those levels right now. So my concern is that possibly we may experience a bit of a pullback. And so I'm looking at some protection plays right now in the market.
When you say protection plays, what are you doing as a pro trader?
I'm looking at the spider and I'm looking at the put exposure. I don't necessarily want to cap the opportunity of making gains on the trade. So I'm looking at just outright possibly buying puts out until October 20, maybe mid-October. That'll give me about 74 days. If I buy some puts there, it really can possibly kind of help if there is a pullback. I think those puts can build some momentum.
Are there any individual stock names that you like out there, Joel?
Yeah, right now I'm looking at Square. I think Square is doing some phenomenal things. They recently reported earnings. They've also made some acquisitions that I really like. I think that they're very possibly going to kind of retest some of their 52-week highs. I also like what's going on with Tesla. Tesla data is really coming out very aggressively. Tesla's starting to move to the upside. I mean, I am overall very bullish the market, but I do think that there is some time that I do want to possibly just look to buy puts just for protection purposes in case we do get a bit of a pullback.
Great trader talk. Thanks so much, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.